Hey YouTube, how we doing today? That's right, we're back for another knife review of a company I hadn't heard before, but it seems to be popping up everywhere on my Amazon feed. Stay tuned after we roll that intro, and we're going to get into this guy. Alright guys, thank you for staying tuned. Now, whenever I'm going around Amazon looking for good deals on blades, this company seems to pop up all the time with a bunch of different blades and a bunch of different steels and a bunch of different whatever. Well, this one, the Eafengrow 0456, grabbed my attention. It was an impulse purchase. I gotta tell you, probably shouldn't have done it. The blade, I got excited. I didn't pay attention to some stuff. It came shipped out of Lexington, Kentucky, but it was made in China. This seems to be a knockoff blade of the Kershaw Zero Tolerance. I don't like knockoff blades. I don't like companies that rip other things off. But you know what? I'm gonna let you decide. I've talked long enough. Let's get into this blade. Let me move that back out. Okay. It's got the exact look of a zero tolerance blade, except the fact that, well, it's got the blue and it's got like the metallic blue and the metallic blue clip. But here's the stats on it. Overall, it's got a length of 7.8 inches. Closed, it's 4.5 inches. And the blade itself is 3.3 inches. Now, here's what brought me to buy the dang thing. They say it's D2 tool steel. It's got a 5960 Rockwell rating with a stonewash finish. Personally, for what I paid for this thing, I really doubt it's D2 steel. I honestly believe it's that Chinese 9CR 118 MOV. But there's a look at it, alright? If you look at like the brush markings, the whatever here, it has a look of D2. But I really doubt it is. Now, the handles are G10. That's what they say, but you know, it doesn't have that G10 feel. It has a heavy plastic feel. It does have a liner lock, as you can see here. It is a flipper open. It has some ball bearing, like the little pivots in here. But I gotta tell you, honestly, I know like with the IKBS system, it just pops right open, but this guy, it's slow. It has a one-position pocket clip, which is right there, and it's tip up. Now, when I did some looking into this, Eafengrow doesn't have a website where you can go purchase blades from. They seem to be multi-online marketing purchases or via Amazon or eBay. Eafengrow has been a trademark since 2016 of a Chinese corporation in some province over there that I can't even pronounce. Now, here's my issue, okay? For D2 tool steel, the last couple blades that I've gotten with D2 in there, they've been over $100. This one on Amazon, $26.99. Plus free shipping. It had a rating of 4.3 stars out of 5. Couldn't find a web store, couldn't find really any other reputable marketing places that sell Eafengrow. But they are all over my Amazon feed. I can't even look for like a Gerber blade without Eafengrow popping up. I can't look for Kershaw. I can't look for CRKT without these popping up. And honestly, I went, okay, well, I'm going to buy one just to see if it's worth a crap. It looks remarkably exactly like Kershaw Zero Tolerance. Just a Chinese knockoff called Eafengrow. But, you know, that's my viewpoint on it. Let me know what you guys think, as usual, down below. You should see a symbol popping up somewhere over here. That's going to be our company logo. Go ahead, click on that. And you should see some videos popping up somewhere over here. Those will be videos that YouTube is going to select from our channel, or I should say from our library, that you guys may like. Now, in light of some recent changes in YouTube, I'm begging you guys, please like, share, and subscribe. We need all the help we can get to grow because stuff has gotten radically different. But you know what, guys? Enough of that. Here's the Eafengrow 0456 Tactical Folding Knife. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.